Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Codism with Farhana. I hope that you all are fine. So today I'm going to show you how to install Python and pip. So don't further delay, let's go to the video. So guys, first we have to write Python download, and here you can see the link. Just click here, and here you will get your download option, download button, and here you direct click, and also you can check this download option, the windows, and different function is here, and different download option is here, and we don't need this, and just click here download. So it will give me something. Okay, don't need to worry, just click here. And if you are new, so it will give you a path location. Just if you want to save it in that part, then you will just give that path, and if you want to give another path, so just ignore that and replace the path. Okay, so guys, you can see it is installed, and now open folder, and here you can see, and just double click here, stop this. Here you can see customize. Okay, it will done. Next, just click all things, and the location is GG. Okay, I will change location G Python. Okay, and install. Yes, it will take some time, and after that it will be installed. Okay, we have to wait for a few minutes for install. So guys, our installation is done, so just close here, and after that, okay, so we have to go command prompt Python version. Okay, it is successfully done, and also we have to check pip is done, installed or not. Pip version. Okay, it is also installed. Okay, so I think we have done, and let me show you another thing, which is this is ID. Okay. Put a small this. Okay. Just right here print, just for checking. Okay, close that. See, it is working. That means it is successfully installed here. So in my next video I'll show you how to use it in Visual Studio. Okay, till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.